Hi guys, it's me Khandie. I'm just doing a quick video with my friend Kaylee. Oh, dirty nails. My friend Kaylee, and it's just about helping to make your clients more comfortable when you're doing a shoot. Great for people who are bloggers who usually shoot their own content, new clients, and people, perhaps models just starting out. So just a few tips to help you through to get the best out of your shoot on location with them. So in this footage, you're going to see my friend Kaylee. She is new to blogging and she wanted some fresh content because all she's ever done is redone selfies. She's a self-professed absolute hater of having her image taken unless she's doing it. So obviously I'm doing a shoot, it's raining, Britain. We're going to do a shoot with Kaylee. It's about posing when you're not a model or a poser, or like live the Instagram game life. So tip one would be to make sure you recce the locations you're going to use. The last thing a model really needs, or a client needs to do, is to be wandering around with you while you try and find somewhere. Really to hone in which sections you're going to go to, and then you can actually send them the pictures of that so they get an idea, or at least be able to describe where you're going, so you can do sort of like an itinerary if you like. It really relaxes them. Tip two is do a Pinterest board or a mood board. Pinterest is kind of where I tend to go, do a mood board so they have an idea, maybe some poses, some styling, or the aesthetic you're going for. It really helps them just to ease in. Pinterest is probably the easiest. There's an app so they can download a phone, but it also means that you can keep referring to it on your phone because you can see the poses and get some more inspiration. Tip three, make sure you build a rapport with your client, because at the end of the day it's really awkward for them to be photographed. For most people it feels very surreal, so make sure you build a rapport. That could be simply just chatting about their day or just building it up from the moment they book you. And it's really weird getting a photo shoot done in public. Only the brave tend to do it, or those who have an amazing photographer who makes them feel really relaxed. You need to find one.
I do, yeah. I'm joking, she's amazing.
I bought you Greg's. Fine, don't worry about it. Anyway, so what you do is you give them tasks to do. So, hey, Kaylee, I was gonna go Hayley then. Who's Hayley? Kaylee is gonna wander around on these, just here to relax and move. And the idea is to free her up and relax. Normally we play music, but I don't know, we get done for like copyright if we play the music on top. 4. So quite often, clients and models, even season model, will find it awkward what to do with their hands or something to do. You might say, could you just look a bit more happy that way? Give them a prop to sort of create a story for them, create an idea for them. So I often buy those reusable cups that people can use, such as, I know that there is a certain chain of coffee shops that do them. It's quite cliche, quite popular amongst the bloggers, but give them a camera, give them a bag to hold, maybe have an ice cream or a cup of coffee, or just give them something to do, and then they can start to, like, can you drink it? Can you hold it out to the front? Can you hold it up to the side? Could you look at it? It gives an idea of just getting them into it, and they start then thinking along a storyline. And that brings us on to tip 5, which think of a storyline to carry through. You need a purpose for your shoot. If they're just showing off the clothes, what kind of clothes is it? What kind of style are you going for? Because that will help with your posing, but also the styling and then the location. To be honest, Kaylee is by a grotty industrial estate bit. We are not looking at what's on the floor. And tip 6, have fun and roll with it, because at the end of the day, if you get tense as a photographer and you feel awkward, it is going to show to your client. And even if you're not 100% sure where you're going next to your shoot, because for some reason something hasn't gone right, or a location you're going to use isn't quite there, make sure you have backup plans and just really enjoy it, because the more at ease you are, the more likely your client is going to be at ease. So please like and subscribe, hit that bell button. You guys are so supportive. It is so good to be back shooting now. We're out of, can't say it because apparently YouTube does not like that word, but thank you so much, and I'll see you all real soon. Take care, be safe, and clean your hands.